Hi everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you through the OKX Wallet app installation in today's tutorial. To begin, open the Play Store on your device. Tap the search bar at the top, then type OKX Wallet. This is the app that we're going to be downloading. Make sure that your internet connection is stable before installing. Now to begin the installation process, simply tap on the install icon. Now let it begin downloading. After the download is completed, click on Open. By logging in or registering, by following these steps, you can now access the application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.